uplifting motivational stories. The Man Who Failed 1009 Times. At 65, most people think of retirement. He thought of starting over. He had just $105 in his pocket, a battered old car, and a recipe for fried chicken he truly believed in. This man was Colonel Harland Sanders, and life hadn't exactly been kind to him. He dropped out of school in 6th grade, lost countless jobs. His restaurant, gone when a new highway rerouted traffic. He had failed again, but he had one thing left, his secret chicken recipe. So he hit the road, knocking on doors, restaurant to restaurant, offering to cook it for owners and asking one simple deal. If you like it, give me a small royalty per sale. The result? 1,009 rejections. 1,009. But then, one yes, just one. And everything changed. That yes turned into Kentucky Fried Chicken. That chicken became a global empire. And that man, he became a legend. At 65, he could have given up, but he chose to begin. He didn't let age, failure, or rejection define him. He let purpose define him. So the next time life says no, say not yet. Your yes might be the next knock away.